Hi, coming back in the kitchen. Got some salmon, got some queso, got some bow ties, got some garlic and kind of seasonings here. A little heavy cream and some butter. So what we're gonna do is gonna make some spicy bow ties with salmon. And it's gonna be a quick meal, easy meal, something for a weekday that you guys can just make and for your family or for your significant other. Just something easy and cheap and quick. So
big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting.
Full disclosure, sometimes you won't be in the mood to cook. I'll be very honest with you. So you guys did see the ingredients. I did have two pieces of nice sized pieces of salmon in the freezer. So I'm gonna go ahead and I went ahead and pulled them out, got them defrosted, should I say unthawed. And I grabbed some pasta, as you saw, and we're gonna make this thing a little meal. So this is what I'm doing to my salmon. So, got the salmon in here. Just make sure it's continued to unthaw. Took the skin off already. I was rolling already, and so I didn't pick up the camera. Let my folks see what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go ahead and unthaw just a little bit more, and we're gonna go ahead and get our pasta going. Got to have the water for the pasta. So a few cups of water for a whole box of pasta here. Just follow directions, something nice and easy. Bring it over. Go ahead and throw it on a high heat. All right, we're gonna throw a little oil in it so that the pasta will not stick. A little olive oil. Boom, boom, boom. Also, you already know what to do. Put salt in the water. And let it go. All right, we'll wait for the water to boil. My salmon, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tip on almost like a medium to high heat. We're gonna roll with this olive oil just a little bit, because I'm gonna have some butter in it as well too. We'll get it started with that. All right, I guys go ahead and pour this water off of our salmon and dry it up. I dried it, oil it up. All right, rub it down with the oil, olive oil. And put a lot on it just a little bit. There we go. There we go. We'll get it all massaged up in there. All right, now let's season it. All right, we hop it back and forth. Get this pasta in there. There we go. Okay, guys, go ahead and hit it with some McLaris. Some salt-free seasoning. There you go. Got some smoked paprika. A little smoky. Old Bay. Run that Old Bay, baby. Run that Old Bay. All right, nice and seasoned. Let it sit for a few minutes. Let's add a little bit more onion powder to it as well. Turn it over and I'm gonna hit it with the same stuff, but just not as much. Not as much, just a little bit. Same stuff, just not as much. This is no salt free, so this one almost don't matter. That's good. A little onion powder. I think it's good. And a little bit of that old bizzle, my whizzles. There we go. All right, guys. You guys already know. No buka. You gotta slow down long enough just to smell it, so you can see exactly how it's gonna taste. So that smells really good already. Guys, back over, clean hand, of course, and I'm just making it for myself here. Get your salmon in there. Nice Atlantic fresh salmon. But it looks beautiful. Look at the color. So we're gonna run this on a medium heat, and then we're gonna flip it 4 ways to make sure it cooks all the way through. So you guys stay tuned for that. Let's take a look at our pasta. Of course, I'm not gonna go all the way with this. Because it's gonna almost cook twice. Because we're making a sauce for that. All right. I'm gonna go just a little bit longer. Hey guys, as it's cooking, I went ahead and add a little butter to it. Medium low heat. I'm taking my time with these guys here. But they're coming along. They smell pretty good too. Hey guys, here we go. You see we getting a little white down there, a little lighter color. So go ahead and flip it over on the side. 4 ways. You go 4 ways. All right. 4 ways. We just got to stand up. Let's see if I get that way to stand up. There we go. There we go. Sorry about the camera action there, guys. Okay, so 4 ways. I'm gonna flip it 4 ways. You see that side is just about done. All right, guys, our pasta is just where I need it. Not quite completed, done. Throw some water in it. Get the starch off of it. Throw some water in it, get the starch off of it. And we're gonna go to the next step. We're gonna let this sit out for a minute. And then we're gonna work on our salmon. We're gonna make a sauce with it as well too. I just wanna show you what I'm doing here. Pasta there. Take it out. Good. There we go. Then we're gonna strain it. Get it all out of there. Not in the sink, but get it all out of there. You know what I'm saying. Go ahead and get these guys in the bowl. Or they're gonna wait. But you see the color and the color's nice, just about done. But it still has its integrity for the noodle. That's what I want. I want it to stay looking like a butterfly. See? If you cook it too long, it's gonna go mushy and it's gonna break up on you. So we don't want that. Check back in on our salmon, guys. It's blackened a little bit, which is great. But it's on its 3rd turn. So we got 1 more turn and it should be just about finished. Hey guys, to help this thing cook a little bit faster, I went ahead and covered it up. I'm not gonna keep it covered up, but just for a minute or 2. Maybe up to 5 minutes or so. Hey guys, here we are. We're good to go. I even got it blackened a little bit. So that paprika, that seasoning on top, that oil and that butter blackened it up for us. So as you see on the inside, she's good to go. Good to go. So we'll go ahead and take these guys out. Yeah, good to go. So we'll go ahead and take these guys out. That's good, nice and tender too. So take these guys out. Got my salmon out. This looks a lot darker than what it really is. Just want to show you. I get my little tongue together here. There we go. All right, sorry. Put the tongue together here. I just open it up. It's nice. It's nice. Really nice. I was going to use, full disclosure, I was going to use the oil and the butter I already had in there, but I didn't want my pasta that dark. So I went ahead and changed it out, and then I'm about to add the rest to it. So go ahead and get some heavy cream. Just some Old Bay. And I'm going to do some garlic dough. Do some butter. And I'm going to run the queso as well too. But let's go ahead and get it started with these guys right here. Okay, the butter started. About 2 tablespoons. I'm just eyeballing this because I want to make a sauce. And of course, what's going to happen is the pasta is going to go in the sauce. I can stop fumbling butter. I had to clean my little mess up there. Full disclosure. Add some seasoning to this guy as well too. You do it now, you do it when you add your cream. I'm just gonna build the sauce up. And you can walk your way through the garlic because garlic will be overbearing if I don't like that. Let's go, still have it on a low heat. Good. Let's go ahead and add this whipping cream. Every whipping cream, about a cup. No, maybe half a cup. A little over half a cup. Get this stirred up. There we go. So we're gonna build up this sauce. I'm gonna let this this mixture here get warm. Then we're gonna add that queso to it. What I'm doing now, I'm just scraping the seasoning from the bottom of the pan so it won't burn, or and also so it can mix all the way through the cream here. Add me some minced onion. More flavor. Go ahead and hydrate before I add the noodles. Smells good, my goodness. Go ahead and add our queso. You guys got the queso going in, incorporating it, take your time. It'll be nice and creamy. There it goes, already getting thick a little bit. Still I'm on a medium heat now. Just take your time. Get it all incorporated, and the sauce is gonna thicken up as you go. So you know you gotta, depends on how many noodles you got, or how much noodles you wanna make. You wanna make sure you have enough sauce for it all. So I'll probably end up adding some more cream to this. There we go. See how nice and thick it's getting. So we're not too far away now. The main ingredients are done. Just making the sauce now. I got full disclosure. Now it depends on you. Taste it and make sure it tastes the way you want it to taste. For me, it's good. The star of the show is really the garlic and the onion. The minced onion is really good. I didn't put a lot of garlic in it, but I hit it with a little garlic. I did put a bit more of whipping cream in it. So I'm right at probably about 2 cups whipping cream now. And you can ease this in as much as you like. So if you have any seafood seasoning that you like to add with your salmon, I would say add that. But you also got to measure how much pasta that you have. The camera does not show justice of how much pasta it is. It's a good amount. So what I want to do now is make sure my sauce is exactly the way I want it. Taste-wise, which I think it is. It's good enough where it tastes really good. And if I serve it to you, and if you wanted to add something to it, you'd be okay adding something to it. So that's where I am right now. So let's go ahead and add our pasta. Okay. Make sure it's nice, clean hands. My hands are clean. And just add it, just incorporate it. As you incorporate it, stir. It's going to tell you exactly where you are as far as how much pasta you can put in there. Might be okay with this whole box. As long as it's coating each one of them. Now as you see, I took my let me sure I'm off. I took my my sauce off. I took it off the eye, so it won't continue to cook and it won't burn. Because I just want to just take my time and do this, just to make sure it's all good. So far I'm good. So far I'm good. I got plenty of room for more pasta, and it still has its integrity. It still looks like bowls. These little specialty noodles, man, you got to be careful with those. So look at them. I can probably use the whole thing, which would be great. Break leftovers. Take your time and fold it in there. As you say, I have not added the salmon. This is gonna be the very last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold it in as well too. So if you want, if this is good for you and you like that cream at the bottom, you'll still have that, but you can also add some more cream too. So that's the best part about it. So we can use this whole box, which I'm going to use. Actually, I'm going to add it now. I use the whole box. There we go. And we're going to fold it in there as well too. But you see how you just stair-step your way into something. So if you need to back out of it, you can, and you didn't initially overdo it. So now the pasta is good. There we go. Nice. I'm gonna let this cook just a little bit, maybe 5 minutes more. I don't think I need any more queso. I'm gonna taste it just to be sure, but I think I'm good at this point right now. So when I add my salmon, I'll still get my salmon flavor, and I still get the integrity of the noodles, and my sauce flavor will be bomb as well. So I just close up look at it. Still pretty, still nice and pretty. All right, guys, full disclosure, I went ahead and broke up the salmon. I broke up the more blackened pieces versus the more kind of traditional type pieces, because everybody may not like it blackened, so this will be my portion, because I do like mine blackened. And this is just a regular size. So we're gonna incorporate this as soon as we're satisfied with what our noodles are doing on here. So they're just about ready. Just about ready. I'm gonna take the time to just put maybe a little bit more queso on it too and turn it off. Hey guys, pick this up to make it spicy. A little crushed pepper, not much. You can always add it to your individual serving as well. It's a little crushed pepper. Makes it spicy. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Guys, now, last but not least, just add your clean hands. Just add your pasta. Add your salmon. Fold it. Just add your salmon. Because of how much you have, you know. Just fold it in there. Cover with that cheese as well. There we go. So for me, I'm gonna leave something to the side and just incorporate just a little bit of that in there. And this meal is done, so let's go ahead and get it plated up. All right, so we're gonna get it plated up. Get a chance to see it. Noodles still intact. Still intact. Alright family, here we are. Finished product. You're gonna have this hammer go all the way through it. Put the red pepper flakes on top. Give it a little spice, a little kick. You can add some more, you know, Obey or something like that, or your favorite pasta seasoning. Well, Parmesan will be good on it as well too, so you can roll with that. Fresh Parmesan, I'll roll with that. So let's go ahead and just taste this guy, see where we at with it. Look at that. It's got the salmon in there. Nice Bowtie noodles, still intact, as you can see. Let's give it a taste, guys. If you truly like it spicy, I probably would add some more pepper flakes, get more kick to it, or look cayenne. But other than that, it's not bad for a cheap little meal. So not bad at all. Not bad at all for a cheap little meal, guys. The salmon was only $7, and of course that box of noodles was 89 cents. Plus the $2 for the cream, and I had the queso left over from another meal. I'll run with it. Alright guys, thank you for rocking with your boy. Another video in the books. Right now I'm just picking up the camera. Every meal is not gonna be just a flamboyant meal. It's just everyday stuff. So everyday stuff, affordable type stuff, and something I'm gonna do anyway. So just gonna show you guys a little bit more about what I do behind the scenes as far as just cooking something quick, or looking to see what's in the cabinet or the pantry, and make it and run from there. So, but I pray you guys are doing well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Some insight, something simple. Especially how to keep the noodles, those specialty type noodles, intact. You can't overcook them, because if you overcook them, man, when you make it some more regular pasta, then you wouldn't like it. So it's not special anymore. So anyway, thank you for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you guys join the family. So much prayers, much love, and see you beautiful people next video. Peace.